In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Priority Inbox feature in Gmail, a handy tool for organizing your emails and keeping your inbox clutter-free. First things first, let's make sure we're all on the same page with what Priority Inbox is designed to do. Essentially, it's a smart sorting feature within your Gmail account that helps prioritize incoming emails based on their importance. By using this feature, you can focus on the emails that matter most while not getting overwhelmed by the sheer volume of less critical messages. With that in mind, let's dive into setting this up. Start by opening your Gmail account in your web browser. Once you're logged in, locate the settings icon in the upper right corner of the page. It resembles a small gear. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select the option that says See All Settings. This will take you into Gmail's main settings page, where we'll find the options we need to enable and customize Priority Inbox. In the settings page, direct your attention to the top row of tabs and click on the tab labeled Inbox. Here, you'll discover various settings related to your inbox layout and behavior. Look for the section that reads Inbox Type and select the radio button next to Priority Inbox. This might seem like a small change, but it will prompt Gmail to begin sorting your emails based on urgency and relevance. Once you've selected Priority Inbox, you'll notice a few other configuration options pop up just below. Here, you can customize exactly what you'd like to see in your inbox as part of the Priority Inbox setup. For example, you can choose to have starred emails always appear at the top, followed by important emails, and then everything else. This customization allows you to tailor your inbox to your specific needs and preferences. As you adjust these settings, one helpful tip to keep in mind is to periodically review your email habits. For instance, if you often star emails that need a follow-up but don't always get back to them, you might want to adjust what appears in the first section of your inbox. Customizing these sections will help ensure that the emails capturing your attention are truly the ones that need it most. After you've set everything to your liking, don't forget to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This step is crucial as it ensures all your new configurations are applied and ready for use. The next time you receive an email, you'll find that your inbox is neatly organized with your most critical messages presented front and center, making email management a much simpler task. And that's it. You've successfully set up and customized the Priority Inbox in Gmail. I hope you find this feature as useful and efficient as many others have. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.